I just wanted to ask if anybody has this issue with the Nike Flyknit Epic React. Does anybody else get popping sounds when they walk? It's not all the time, but it's very annoying. And even if I dust the shoe off. Alright, I'll do that shoe. Nice and clean. Alright. Like, is this just me? Anyway, if you could, please let me know in the comments down below, or share this, or ask somebody. It's bugging me out. I love the shoes. They're boost killers. But honestly, they're just like, they're that popping sound. I don't know what it's coming from. So if anybody can help me out, let me know. Thanks, guys.